As you can see, I made it. I didn't die last night, luckily. Got up, went hunting, and killed me another squirrel. Boiled him up, picked the bones, added him to this stew here. Oh yeah, check that out. Delicious. Delicious. A mountain man like myself really couldn't ask for much more. I've turned my little friends loose. They are living in that shed over there now, I believe. And I think they're doing quite well. Definitely. Really not that upset about having to go home and have Christmas today. It's been a long and arduous journey out here looking for the American dream. I don't think I've found it, but I definitely got a little taste. Alright.